Why does pet food processing impact macronutrient digestion? Imagine feeding your pet a meal that looks perfect but isn't quite as nutritious as it seems. That's because how pet food is processed can change how well your pet's body can use the nutrients. Processing methods like cooking, extrusion, and drying can actually alter the structure of proteins, fats, and carbohydrates. When these nutrients change, it can be harder for your pet to digest and absorb them properly. Let's start with proteins. When food is heated at high temperatures, it can cause proteins to denature, which means they lose their natural shape. This can make them less accessible for digestion. Heat can also cause chemical reactions between sugars and amino acids, known as Maillard reactions, which make proteins less digestible. So even if the food has enough protein, your pet might not get all the benefits if the proteins are damaged during processing. Fats are also affected by heat and pressure. These processes can cause fats to break down or oxidize, which means they become less stable and less available for your pet's body to use. This can lead to a reduction in energy and essential fatty acids that support skin, coat, and overall health. Carbohydrates, especially starches, are impacted as well. When food is cooked or extruded, starches gelatinize, which can actually make them easier to digest. But if the processing is too harsh, it can also destroy some of the carbohydrate structure, reducing how well your pet's digestive system can break them down into usable sugars. Processing can also destroy natural enzymes in raw ingredients that help break down food. Without these enzymes, your pet's own digestive system has to work harder, which can lead to less efficient nutrient absorption. Sometimes, pet food companies add enzyme supplements to help with this, but natural enzymes are often lost during processing. Minerals are generally stable, but processing can change their chemical form or make them less soluble. This can limit how well your pet absorbs important minerals like calcium and phosphorus, which are vital for bone health. The way food is processed also influences the gut bacteria in your pet's digestive system. Different fiber types and fermentable substrates are affected, which can change how well the gut microbes support digestion and overall health. Veterinarians know that minimally processed foods often retain more nutrients and are easier for pets to digest. Highly processed foods may need added vitamins and minerals to make up for what's lost. Sometimes, adding enzymes or choosing less processed options can help your pet get the most nutrition from their food. In the end, how pet food is processed makes a big difference in how effectively your pet can digest and use the nutrients. It's not just about what's in the food, but also how it's made that impacts your pet's health and vitality.